So guys, I hope everyone know about a cannon. If not, then please wait a second. Oh, I think now it's clear. But guys, we can't create such a big explosive cannon, but we can recreate it in a simplest way. So in today's video, we'll see how to make a simple cannon at home. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel, and if the video was nice, then please like the video. So now, let's start. First, for this you need a aluminium foil and cut a small part from this foil. So guys, while cutting the foil, the width of the foil should be 1 cm more than the matchstick. And you can take the length of the foil equal to the length of the scale. And now carefully cut the foil using a scissor. Now using a matchstick, you can roll this foil. Now carefully remove the matchstick from this. Now bend the smaller part of this rolled foil. Yes, so now the barrel for our cannon is ready. Now ensure that your matchstick is easily going in and out of the barrel. Now take any stone and fix this barrel to the stone using Fevikwik gum. So guys, now our cannon is ready and I am very excited to test it. So now let's go outside and test it. So guys, for testing it, you just have to put a matchstick inside the rolled foil, and then you have to heat the matchstick using a lighter or even using a matchstick. So guys, it was really amazing for me. How was it for you? Comment me down. And guys, even you can try this at home. But guys, one thing I have to say that it is recommended to try only outdoors, not indoors. And you have to be careful while you are doing anything with fire. So guys, only so much for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.